Hello there, Taylor with the multi-info report. Yes, we're going to speak in Spanish first. That was not much of a segue. We're going to speak in Spanish now. En ese caso, español. Por aquí, en el México, en el mar, en el áreas del mar, no sé. Por aquí hay una zona de probabilidad en el momento 10%, pero en los próximos 5 días tiene una probabilidad de 50%. Esta zona podría ser la futura tormenta tropical Narda. Narda, no sé el nombre de aquí. Y en el noroeste pacífico hay una tormenta tropical Pabuk. Pabuk está por aquí. Está demasiado lejos de la Tierra para lluvias, pero en la Tierra de Japón o algo así, tiene avisos de olas altas, rojo, y gale, vientos, advertencias de vientos y avisos de olas altas en Japón. En las áreas del mar, no sé, tiene un aviso de tormenta y gale por aquí, tormenta por aquí. Y sí, esto es Pabuk. Y según el JTMA, esta zona por aquí es una depresión tropical, pero según el JTWC, esta zona solo es una zona de probabilidad y una zona de probabilidad baja. Sí, es la verdad. Y es todo. Es todo en la tierra de los ciclones or something there. So, over here, we'll just go back in the same order. 10% chance right now. This is what? Narda? Is that the next name? Tropical Storm Narda. This thing, 10% chance right now, but 50% chance in the next 5 days. And then, of course, we've still got Pabuk, or however that is pronounced, who is far enough away from land that the warnings that are in fact are for high waves, not the ground loosening rains and stuff of the sort. And the sea warnings, of course, you've got up to storm level for these reddish orange areas, and then gale level there, and then near gale for those areas. And then, as is often seems to be the case, we've got this disputed area where, according to the JMA, this is a unnamed tropical depression, but according to the JTWC, it's a zone of probability that's low. A low zone of probability of that. Not even high, but low chance of tropical cyclone formation there. So who knows with that one. And that is pretty much what is going on in the land of tropical cyclones. In the land of US severe thunderstorm weather, got the stoplight conditions again. The green, yellow, and red. Let's talk about the mesoscale discussion effect for this area for watch possible. Yes, for parts of Wyoming and southeast Montana. Southeast Mut. That's right how it's pronounced. 40% chance of watch issuance on that. In general today, this is a map indicating the probability of 58 mile per hour in greater winds, which happens to be the greatest threat today. There's your 15% chance. So the map showing the probability of 1 inch or larger hail, 5% chance today. And tornado-wise today, not very favorable. Doesn't mean it can't happen, but conditions not favorable for it. Tomorrow, not very favorable for much again. Just a 5% chance moves on over to this area. Weather is soon, but maybe it'll go back up. Who knows? SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com. And Cyclocane. Cyclocane is spelled the same way regardless of whether I turn the satellite layers on or not. But Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. There's your disputed area. That doesn't look like much of a tropical depression. Anyway, CYCLOCANE.com. And that is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.